This medicine make me sleep? This medicine make me sleep?
You mean, does this medicine cause drowsiness?
I want doctor paper medicine.
You mean, you need to fill a prescription.
I want cheaper, same medicine.
You mean, do you have a generic version of this?
I need pill for hot body.
You mean, medicine for a fever?
It is hard to buy medicine if you cannot describe it. Hi, I am Joe. Welcome to FluentLish. Today, you'll learn essential pharmacy sentences. Is there a pharmacist available to speak with me?
Yes, I am the pharmacist. How can I help?
Do you have a thermometer to check my temperature?
Yes, digital thermometers are located in aisle 1.
Is this medicine safe for young children?
No, this formula is intended for adult use only.
Where is the cold and flu section? Where are the bandages and first aid items?
You can find all first aid items in aisle 2.
I am allergic to penicillin.
This allergy formula is safe for you.
Where can I find the vitamins and supplements? Vitamins and supplements.
They are located down aisle 3 on your right.
Is it safe to drink alcohol while taking this?
No.
Can you recommend something for a bad cough?
Is it a dry cough or a chesty, wet cough?
Should I take it on an empty stomach? Should I take it on an empty stomach? I need something to soothe the burned skin.
An aloe vera gel will calm the irritation.
What is the maximum number of pills I can take in a day?
Never exceed 6 tablets in 24 hours.
Is it safe to drive after taking this?
No, this causes drowsiness, so do not drive.
Can I take this medication with orange juice? Can I take this medication with orange juice?
No, take it only with plain water.
Should I stop taking this when I feel better?
No, finish the full course as prescribed.
Will this medication make me feel drowsy during the day? Excuse me, where can I find pain relievers? What should I do if this medicine upsets my stomach?
Take each dose with a light meal or snack.
What should I do if I forget a dose?
Take it when you remember, but don't double up.
Can I get a refill on this prescription?
Sure, let me check your account details first.
Can I crush this tablet if it is hard to swallow? What should I do if I feel dizzy?
Stop taking it immediately and call your doctor.
How long can I keep this after opening?
Discard it 6 months after opening the bottle.
Does this medication have any side effects?
It may cause mild drowsiness or stomach upset.
Is it okay if I break this tablet in half?
No, this pill has a protective coating.
Do you have a generic version of this brand?
Yes, the generic option is equally effective and cheaper.
Can I take this painkiller with paracetamol?
Yes, those two are safe to take together.
Can I pay for these items at the front desk?
Yes, you can check out right here with me.
Goodbye, and thanks for watching with FluentLish.